Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to change your name on your Discover credit card in 2025. Whether it's from a marriage, divorce, or any legal update, getting this sorted is essential to keep your account accurate and avoid any hassles. Don't worry, I'll break it down step by step, so you can do this quickly and confidently. First off, make sure you're logged into your Discover account. Head to the Discover website or open their app, and sign in with your current username and password. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, but most cardholders are already set up. Once you're in, navigate to the Account Settings, or Profile, section. This is usually found in the main menu. Look for something like Personal Information. It's straightforward, but take a moment to find it if you're not familiar with the layout. Next, locate the field for your name. There should be an Edit or Update button nearby. Click on that, and you'll be able to enter your new legal name. Double check for any spelling errors to prevent issues later. Now, here's a key part. Discover often requires verification for name changes. You'll likely need to upload a document, like a marriage certificate, driver's license, or other official ID that reflects your updated name. Follow the prompts to submit these securely. After you've submitted your request, sit tight. It might take a few business days for processing. Keep an eye on your email for confirmations or any additional steps from Discover. Once approved, your card will be updated, and you might receive a new card in the mail. A quick tip: if you encounter any roadblocks, like technical glitches, reach out to Discover's customer service right away. They're usually helpful and can guide you through. And there you have it. That's how you change your name on your Discover credit card in 2025. It's a simple process that keeps everything in order. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more financial tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.